Oh, hi there, kid. What do you want to order?
I want to order a big macaroni bowl. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Why do I smell
Wait a
burning?
second.
Why do I smell burning?
I don't know why you smell burning. Hold! You're doing that.
I'm not doing that.
Wait a second. I'm here now. Okay, I will give you noodles. We don't sell macaroni here. Noodles is tasty.
Noodles. I want noodles.
What is better than here you go, a big fat Oreo.
How much?
Eat this!
How much is it?
Sibao.
What?
No! No! You stupid! I'm gonna taste your butt cheeks! Bro! Shit. And bam.
You can't find me.
Bro, you're such an idiot. Hey, wait, drive through. Let's do a drive through thingy.
Is there even a drive-thru?
There is.
Yeah, there is. Let me sew up in my car.
No, I must show up in my car.
Fuck.
That sounded so dramatic.
Hello.
Wait, no, this is the wrong area. Oh wait.
What are you doing?
I would like a gay sandwich with extra cream on top of it.
Extra cream? You want my special cream on it?
Yeah.
Alright, coming right up.
Moaning noises. Moaning noise. Hey yo! I didn't mean by that.
Okay, stop.
Holy crap.
It's done, I think. Wait. Maybe a bit of extra.
Wait, I can probably see you.
Yes.
Why is there a sub sandwich? Oi. Gimme! Stick.
Here you go, extra creamy. Maybe a bit salty, I don't know.
I threw it.
Bro, count your days.
No! Frick. Oh. Shit.
Try to find it. I'm gonna stay.
How will I kill you if you're so small?
Try to kill me.
Lonely.
I will hide. I will hide in the supermarket. Stop. That's not funny. Alright,
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording, guys. Bye. This is my brother. This is my little brother, Dan.
I'm not little nigger.
He is 14 years old, and he said he was gay.
No, I never said that.
You think Mark did the notes?
No, I didn't.
You did. He like wrote something.
It's not clickbaiting.
No.
That's not good.
Okay, I'm ending my recording. Bye, guys. Sigma.